guys, Los Car 50. Today we're going to be doing some lighting modifications to the 50. We're going to be replacing the taillights, the side markers, and the rear bumper deflectors with all smoked lights. So right here I got the smoked black LED side markers. These are also LED smoked rear bumper reflectors slash lights. I don't think I will be connecting the lights. I'm not sure yet. I'll decide once I get to that point. And then I got me a set of the Vland 5-mode smoke tail lights. Looks super sweet. So this should definitely change the look of the car from the rear end. It'll definitely give you that more of the black and orange look that I'm going for. Alright, so here we have the smoked LED side marker. Looks really sleek, pretty simple. You just pop it out from the back and plug it from the back, from the inside of the bumper. This is the old one. Took off the old socket with the bulb, put it on here, then plugged in the LED connection to it. Real simple, looks pretty sweet. Alright, so we got the side markers on, we got the rear smoke reflectors on as well. I decided to not wire those up. And here's the other one. So next, tail lights. Looking really good so far. Alright, these bad boys on the car. So if you notice, these tail lights look like they have something missing on the top. And I noticed the OEM ones have this cover. Well, thankfully, for those that don't know, you can pop this off just using a flathead screwdriver. Pop off one on the back, one clip in the back, one on the side. This whole thing comes off and put it back on. The new tail lights, just like on this side. Okay guys, so in order to get the 5-mode lighting options, you have to install this wire harness. So this plugs directly from your third brake tail light, or your third brake light, and then you run this through, I'm going to run this through the driver's side pillar from the back. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. Well, I'll show you over here. Basically I have it popped off right there. I'm going to run it through there, and then up into my third brake light, which is right up there. Alright, so the install of all these parts is fully completed now. Excuse the background noises. Yeah, the tail lights look sick. Install wasn't too bad. Everything fit nice. Everything smoked. So you can really see the big contrast between the black and the orange, which is exactly what I was trying to go for. Now, one of the cool features about these Vland tail lights is what they're known to have is the modes. So check this out. Side marker, alright. Look at that. So they have 5 different modes, but I liked the first one, known as the cursor mode. Turn on the hazards. Okay. Check that out. A red and amber at the same time. Looks freaking sweet. Totally just transforms the look of this car by a lot. It's really sweet. Really happy. Wow. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Will's Car 50. See you soon.